Yebo, ingane zawethu impela sibona lapha ku-NIU njengoba ke sigasele emzini kwalo Deputy National Police Commissioner uShadrack Sibiya nosamisiwe ke esikhundleni. Kanti ke wengane zawethu impela ke abantu bebezitshela ukuthi ke impela ke i-NIU ize ngoba ke izobopha yena ke uShadrack Sibiya. Kanti ke wengane zawethu impela ke i-NIU ke nabanye ke abebekhona phana ke ngazuthi ke impela bebeyosesha phana ke emzini ke wakhe ke uShadrack Sibiya ukhona phana ke eSanchurion. Kanti ke wengane zawethu impela ke yena uShadrack Sibiya uthema ngaba ke ePaula ke waveza ukuthi cha impela ku General ke Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi impela ke akamfuni ke nalapho ke enyathele khona ngoba ke enjalo mangaba ekhuluma ke ngeke angazalithinti ke igama ke lakhe. Kanti ke wengane zawethu impela yena uShadrack Sibiya ubese ezicolela ushwele yena kuMkhwanazi nakuyona ke NIU wathi yabona ke mangaba ukuthi ke niyafika lana ke emzini wami nizongibopha ngicela bani ngafiki phela ke ezintatha kusa ngoba hey yo bese kuthiwa ke emaphepheni mina ke ngivisana ke ngagadla qala wathi cha mangabani ufuna ukungibopha ngicela bani idlule kubameli mina ke ngiyobe sengizivikela ngiziletha mina ngoba wawu angisathembi lutho ke manje. Hayi wengane zethu impela usho njalo phana kuShadrack Sibiya ke ePaula bafowethu ngaphala masikhuluma kakhulu ngicela bangithulela yona ke lenkulumo kaShadrack Sibiya.
To see the anger in General Mkhwanazi, the vengeance, the weight, even when he speaks, I will think that he's past me, but every 5 seconds he will go back to me again, and then he will talk about others, then he will go back to me again. It's okay. Let me go through the process. Let us meet on the other side of the fence. What I can say is that all I'm asking is that if, let's say, they are planning to come and arrest me, I've got a lawyer. I must tell him to come and hand me over. Or if they come in to arrest me, let them not come at 3 o'clock in the early hours of the morning so that someone can shoot me and kill me and say he was reaching out for a gun, so we took him down. What I'm asking is that let it be done in a fair way.